Why use Memrise for Russian vocabulary?
Memrise is a powerful language learning app known for its effective use of spaced repetition. Its interactive courses and game-like features help you quickly memorize and recall Russian vocabulary. By providing audio, images, and community-created content, Memrise keeps learning engaging while reinforcing words just when you're about to forget them.
Getting started. Setting up Memrise.
Download the Memrise app and create your free account. Search for Russian language courses, starting with beginner-friendly options. Official Memrise courses and user-generated lists both offer plenty of vocabulary for different levels. Choose a course that matches your goals, such as travel phrases or essential words for daily conversation.
Mastering spaced repetition in Memrise.
Spaced repetition is the core of Memrise's approach. As you review Russian words, Memrise schedules them for review right before you might forget. This timing strengthens long-term memory. Commit to daily practice, even just 10 minutes, to let spaced repetition work effectively and steadily expand your vocabulary.
Maximizing Memrise features.
Use Memrise's listening and typing exercises to reinforce your memory. Take advantage of the difficult words feature to focus on words you often miss. Engage with community-made memory aids or add your own, which can be especially helpful for tricky Russian spelling and pronunciation.
Tips for rapid progress.
Set a daily learning goal and stick to it. Regular, short study sessions are more effective than cramming. Mix new word lessons with review sessions to build both breadth and retention. Use the app's reminders to stay consistent. Over time, you'll see noticeable improvement in your Russian vocabulary.